All right, when you're installing the rear window covers, you want to start in the corner at 8.5 inches, okay? And that'll go for both sides. So the first thing I do is I put this corner, I Velcro these two pieces at 8.5 inches. That's how I start my whole deal, is I peel them back and I put these first two in 8.5 inches down. And then I follow this line and I unpeel all the Velcro and I put it all along the edge all the way to the bottom. And this is the first part of the rear window covers that I apply. So once you get this whole side done right here, then you can go back and then do this one. So then you start taking this one just straight across. Once you get that done, you go follow this line, same thing, put all the Velcro right along the edge. So now I have it here nice and tight. I've already have it here. Now I just do here, and then at the very end, I just pull everything tight and then run that all the way across. And then do the same thing for the other side. So as long as you're starting at 8.5 here, and then you put this Velcro here first and apply the cover here first, then everything else will go on naturally.